Hello, this is going to be a fast update, so I want to see how quickly I can do this video. So what I've got now is that the behaviour of the ship is affected by the parts on it. So I've got here a ship with no parts, which means I can't fly and I can't shoot. So if I install an engine at the back of the ship, I can now fly. And you can see in the top left hand side of the screen the fuel's going down. Below that I've got account for ship power, and the only thing that uses ship power at the moment is the cannon. So if I install a cannon on the front of the ship and start firing, you can see the ship power is dropping. There's also a power bar on the left hand side of the screen to visualise the power dropping. Once I run out of power, I can't shoot anymore. Solution for that is to install a power generator to generate some power. There's a fuel reactor here which converts fuel into power. So install that. Now on the top left hand side of the screen you can see fuel going down and power going up. Can also install more weapons. If I put 2 more cannons on, that'll increase firepower, so when I fire now there'll be 3 shots at once. And can install more engines, which will give you more acceleration and higher top speed. Also the position of items will affect where damage happens on impact. So if I go head first into a wall, eventually that will tend to damage whatever components at the front of the ship. If I get shot in the back, that will tend to damage whatever components at the back. And damaged components will just operate less efficiently. The item in the centre then is kind of a good place to install stuff that's important because that's the most shielded from damage. One other thing I wanted to show was targeting selection. If I hit tab, it will select the nearest ship to me, which is this carrier over here, which is now flashing. Puts its name out at the moment, but eventually there'll be a window at the bottom of the screen that will give more information about whatever's currently selected. In this case, it will give an option when you get into certain range to dock with it. So when you get close, it'll give you a key that you can press to dock. And when you press that, it will freeze your ship, and you can then go in and buy and sell stuff. At the moment, you can buy and sell stuff anywhere, but eventually you'll only be able to do it in places that have got shops. That's all I wanted to show you for this video. Thank you for watching.